Computer architecture and assembly language. Three most important questions. Define computer organization and explain the role and properties of CPU registers. Computer organization refers to the operational structure and hardware components of a computer system that dictate how the system performs its basic functions. It focuses on the physical arrangement and interaction of components such as the CPU memory, input output devices, and buses. Role of CPU registers. CPU registers are a small high-speed storage location inside the CPU that temporarily hold data and instructions. During processing, they are essential for speeding up the execution of instructions by providing fast access to operands and intermediate results. Properties of CPU registers. High speed, much faster than memory for data access. A small capacity, limited size, usually from 8-bit to 64-bit, but extremely fast access. Volatile. Content is lost when power is turned off. Temporary storage. Hold data temporarily during instruction execution. Direct CPU access. CPU can direct read write without memory delay. Number 2. What are the address bus, data bus, and control bus? Describe their functions using examples. Address bus definition. The address bus is a unidirectional bus that carries the memory addresses from the CPU to memory or input-output devices. Function. Specific the memory location address where data is to be read from or written to. Example, if the CPU wants to read data from memory location. Data bus. The data bus is a bidirectional bus that carries the actual data between the CPU memory and input-output devices. Function. Transfer data between CPU and memory or input-output devices. Example, read operation, data from memory location. Write operation, data from CPU, memory location. Control bus. The control bus carries control signals from the CPU to coordinate and manage operations of memory and input-output devices. Function. Signals like read, RD, write, WR, interrupts, clock signals are sent over the control bus. Example, the CPU sets the control signals. The CPU sets. Number 10. Explain the difference between primary memory and secondary memory with examples. Primary memory, main memory. Primary memory is the memory directly accessible by the CPU for storing data and instructions currently in use. Characteristics: fast, access speed, volatile, data lost when power is off, limited in size. Examples: RAM, random access memory, temporary storage for program and data. ROM, read-only memory.